Hi everybody, welcome. It is day 12 of Treasure Trovember. If you are just discovering the challenge, I've got a link below where you can watch a welcome video that explains everything about Trovember and gives you the first prompt. It's a really easy challenge to catch up on. Each video's 2 minutes or so each day. So we're on day 12. You can also register for free at explore.collage-lab.com/Trovember, and I will send you a free guide, 30 tips for 30 days, that includes tips from previous participants in our Treasure Trovember. Okay, day 12, the prompt is add a song. So add a song. Interpret that however you'd like. Music, lyrics, something that looks like a song or feels like a song. Enjoy the prompt, and we'll see you back here tomorrow for day 13.